I'm the student of Abacus Institute of Engineering and Management from Civil Engineering Department. Today I will show you how to make one of my favorite dessert, strawberry cake shake. So let's start. At first I will sanitize my hand. Now take a mixture, 3/4 part of small glass chilled milk, 4 pieces of vanilla cake, 2 spoons of strawberry ice cream, and 1 spoon of mixed fruit jam. Now I will mix it. Now I will decorate the glass with 2 piece of chocolate cake crumbles, one spoon of strawberry ice cream, 1 strawberry wafer roll, 1 chocolate wafer roll, and 2 strawberry wafer and some chocolate cake crumbles at the top. Now it's ready to serve strawberry cake shake. I hope you will like it. Thank you.